In this video, we are going to boot Windows 11 on our flash drive. I plugged my flash drive in and we are going to boot it. We need Rufus Studio and Windows 11 ISO file, which I put the download links of them on the description. I'm going to select Windows 11 ISO file. Windows 11 ISO file is just for 64-bit operating systems. It is not for 32-bit operating systems. If your system didn't support Windows 11, on here one of my videos, if you click on that, you will learn how to install Windows 11 on each unsupported hardware, or I can we mustn't change anything. It's just we need to check our system is UEFI or MBR, the boot partition. Okay, well, my partition is GPT and the target system is UEFI. This is a volume label. If you want, you can change your label, or I can say the name of your flash memory. I didn't change it. I press on start. It says all of the things of this flash drive will be deleted and you cannot recover it. Okay, not important. I press on the OK. So it will start doing these things. After it's finished, you can close the app and eject your flash drive. This is a full tutorial of booting Windows 11. And the ISO file that I put the download link is from Microsoft. You don't need to be worried about it.